Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and I want to talk about this great water bottle that I have by Takeya. So this is a 24-ounce water bottle. It's great because it is dishwasher friendly. That's one of the big things that I like for water bottles, because it's really difficult if you throw it in the dishwasher and then it gets destroyed. So these are amazing. They come in so many different colors. I love to get water bottles that have the lids like this does. It unscrews. You don't need a straw. You can always bring one with you, but I find it a lot easier for at the gym and for cleaning and for my daughter having at school. I find it a big difference. They're more heavy duty too. I find it so much easier to clean and keep sanitary. I do like that they do have a beautiful handle too. It's nice and big and spacious that you can carry it and fit your fingers. You can put it in a stroller. They fit a lot of cup holders as well for different vehicles, strollers, different things that might have a cup holder. It's just such a great water bottle. I love this pink color too. The reason I got it, it's for my daughter because pink is her favorite color, but I'm so impressed with this brand, but that's just my point of view.